risotto before?
I have, yes.
Okay, cool. It's a wonderful dish.
It is a medium to short grain rice, for those of you who are not familiar with it.
Here we go. We have the onion. We have it all attached back here.
The next step is to take off the top, this part.
So let's go ahead and add the risotto first. Take a kernel and you smear it in your fingers. And when it's al dente, there's like a little bit of a kernel still left. Throw those on top so they look pretty. Take one of these guys here and I'm gonna crush it up. My extra green color.
Let me see.
Dramatic zoom in and out.
Nice, everything looks so good, so healthy. I'm taking a big bite.
Thank you.
Liz.
Thanks, Liz.